So for all you New Yorkers out there, especially who love those nice, delicious pretzels, I'm going to show you my homemade version of soft, delicious pretzels, guys. These are absolutely delicious. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Okay, my love, so we're going to jump right into this recipe. So I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. I'm going to mix together about 3 cups of flour, okay, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can use white or dark brown sugar or light brown sugar, and of course a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm using the rapid yeast, the one you could just put in and boom. Okay, now I'm going to take some water and some butter, and I'm going to slightly melt the butter in the water, okay, because we want that water at a certain temperature. We don't want it too hot. We want it like as if you were feeding a baby, okay, like you know how you take it from the bottle and you just put it on your wrist. That's how warm we want it, not hot or we'll kill the yeast. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of that flour to my mixer. I'm using the stand mixer with my dough hook, okay? You can do this by hand if you like, but I'm not doing all that, okay? This is a very easy recipe, and it's my recipe. This is what I don't like following recipes. I always like doing my own thing, okay? So now we are just taking the 2 cups because we want to create a nice smooth texture. Then we're going to start adding in our last cup of flour. Guys, don't worry because the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. We are looking for a dough that's not too sticky, but just tacky. But at the same time, it would hold its shape nicely, okay? And I'm going to have this knead for at least 12 minutes. Of course, you're going to start noticing that the dough is going to separate from the sides of the bowl. Now, the way you could tell if your dough is ready, guys, is when you do the window pane test. It's when you take a piece of the dough and you stretch it without it breaking, and you could see some light coming through it. That's when you know that your dough is done, okay? But when you touch the dough, it'll be nice and smooth. It'll have like a tackiness to it, okay? You see how the dough looks, okay? Now I'm just going to show you right here, okay? And we're going to stretch it, okay? But you see how it just broke a little bit, okay? So, it's a little bit there, so I'm going to do it for about a minute or two until we get it where it can stretch, but we can still see through it, see some light come through it, but it's not going to fully break, okay? That's what we're looking for. So, as you can see right here, okay, and it has like this nice pliable texture, okay? And this is what we are looking for. It's nice and stretchy. As you can see, you put it up to the light. I'm doing this for y'all because I want y'all to see what's going on, okay? See? Look at that. Just like that. That's what we're looking for. That is called the window pane test, my loves. Okay, so now I'm going to add some oil. I'm using canola oil in a bowl, and I'm going to take my dough, make it into a ball, okay, and I'm going to oil the top face down and then flip it back over, and I'm going to let it double for at least about an hour, okay, until it doubles in size, okay? And we are going to be using a baking soda bath. I'm not using no lye, because I ain't got that. I ain't using no lye. I ain't got no lye, because that's what they usually use when they make these pretzels. But it's all this. You got to be careful or your skin will burn. I don't want to even put that in my stomach if my skin's going to burn. But anyway, I'm taking about 9 cups of water. I'm sorry, guys. And I'm going to put about a half a cup of baking soda, and I'm putting it on like a medium low. We want the water to get hot, okay, because it boiled, but you know, we want it to get nice and hot. All right, now here is our dough that has doubled in size for about an hour. I would say about an hour and 10 minutes, depending on the temperature in your house. And I'm going to very, 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 very lightly dust my counter. Well, actually, my wooden planchette here, my wooden board. And I am going to gently press some of that air out. And I'm going to divide this. Well, really, you could divide this into 6, but I did it into 8 pieces. Well, that's what I did. Okay. And they gave me some nice size pretzels. Okay. And then what we are going to do, guys, once we do that, we are going to, because I'm also going to show you different ways you could. We're going to make the regular looking pretzels, and we're also going to make little bites, like little pretzel bites. So you want to roll these out into a nice long rope for about 2 feet, 24 inches. You're going to make it into a U, turn the tops twice, and then bring them down and give them a little pinch at the base. And I'm going to show you this process again. I mean, I'm not perfect at doing this now, but I did a little something, okay? Give it 2 little twists like that, and then give them a little pinch at the base and set them to the sides. And guys, now I'm doing my bites. I'm rolling them about 6 inches, and I'm going to cut them in half, then cut each half in half. So I got like about 4 little bites. Okay, now guys, you're going to have this on, I have mine on a sill pad, but you could get some parchment paper or wax paper and lightly spray it with some baking spray so they won't stick, and let them be on a tray. Now, if you could also double this recipe, guys, okay, and let those set there for at least 10 minutes, double it for at least another 10 minutes, so 10-15 minutes. And now we're going to, after that, we're going to take our pretzels and we're going to dip them in that baking soda. This is what's going to give it that nice brown, chewy interior and nice crisp exterior. Okay? So we're going to dip these and flip them for about 20 to 30 seconds. And we're going to, I'm using a slotted spoon. And then after that, we're going to take them out and set them to the side and let them dry out a little bit. Okay. And in the midst of that, you're going to preheat your oven to about 450 degrees. That's what I did. Okay. We're going to bake them for at least a good 12 to 15 minutes. Now with my little bites, I just dipped them there for like a good 5-8 seconds. Okay. And I put them to the side. Okay. As you can see. And my loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos. Press that like button so we could get the notification and push this video out and let everybody know Jackie's cooking, honey. Now, my loves, I am now gently and also gingerly brushing my pretzels with some melted butter. Okay, I do this before and after. And then after that, you could bless it with some coarse salt. I'm using some, what do you call that? That sea salt. I didn't have no pretzel salt. I don't have that. I just don't have it. You could also melt some butter with some Parmesan cheese or some garlic powder and make garlic pretzels, Parmesan cheese. Dust it with seeds, poppy seeds, or with the salt, or you even could do them with cinnamon sugar. So you can have lots and lots of fun with these. Okay, so now I'm putting on my coarse salt. Okay, and I'm gonna put this in my oven at 450 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until this beautiful color comes out. Look at that. Isn't that so good? And mind you, I'm not the best at rolling the pretzels, but they look so cute and adorable. OMG, look at that. Now, guys, what I'm doing, I'm taking some melted butter again, and I am brushing them on my beautiful pretzels here. Guys, these pretzels are so soft, nice and fluffy. Oh, God, they were so good. See, when I know I make stuff that's so good, I don't like making it all the time because that will put weight on me and stuff like that. But these are so good, except if you're going out there to buy them, guys. But, guys, try this recipe. Leave me your comments, my loves. And enjoy this recipe. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? And when you chew, when I bit into it, oh God, it was so soft. Oh my God, it was so nice. chewy. You could do cinnamon sugar, garlic, play with it, have fun, all kinds of seeds, guys. So my loves, I want you to do 3 things for me. And I need you to eat, love, and pray. And also, guys, I want you to check out my other videos as well. Okay? Enjoy, my loves.